Hey, what's going on? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and today I am making a video on the new Keetec BS420LCD 4-sensor parking sensor kit, which is capable of being mounted in the front or rear of your vehicle, and its sister, the BS420, which is the entry-level version that does not come with this nice LCD display. However, the BS420LCD, it does come with this LCD display. And I also want to do another brief showcase of the LDS P7 dash camera battery pack, which you can see I'm powering this product off of. It's a fantastic power supply for things like this, my workbench. I can quickly hook up these devices to show you on these YouTube videos, and it goes to show you all the versatility that this battery actually has. It's a 12-volt battery designed for dash cameras, but you could actually use it as a power supply as well. So Keetec BS420 LCD, what is it? It's a 4-sensor kit designed, as I mentioned, dual purpose front or rear mounting use. It comes with 4 ultrasonic parking sensors. Here is one. I'm going to demonstrate to you how the display works. You can see when it's powered up, it's blue. And you can see this is the control module. It's got the sensor inputs of A, B, C, D. That's for the 4 sensors. I've only got one that's going to be connected today. Here's our wiring harness. And you can see I've got it plugged into the wiring output of the P7 dash camera battery. Obviously, to install this in a vehicle, you do not need a dash camera battery pack, but you do need to have a 12-volt electrical system in your vehicle. That's what this is designed for. Also of note, these ultrasonic sensors do not work on steel bumpers. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to plug this sensor in. I'm going to try to do this one-handed. I may need to... Stop. There we go. So you'll see. Basically, I've got the sensor facing up. You can see it's not sensing anything right now. As soon as I point it towards myself, you can see exactly what it does. And what you'll see is when it senses something, depending on what sensor is sensing, you can see it shows you on the vehicle diagram what side the warning is coming from. And it also is set to meters, but that can also be set to feet in terms of the selectable measurement. Now I'm just going to unplug this sensor. It does get annoying. You can see without the sensor plugged in, there is no sound. Basically, this will also beep an audible warning to tell you that you're getting closer to an object. And when you are within an unsafe distance or within the minimum distance, it basically will beep constantly and then verbally tell you to stop the vehicle. So very useful, very inexpensive way to protect your vehicle when parking. And as I mentioned, the BS420 is its sister. This product here is the exact same thing except for no LCD display, just the beeper. So if you want an incredibly inexpensive parking sensor kit, the BS420 is for you. Keep in mind there is no display. It just does beeping audible alerts. But for cost savings, this is awesome. The other thing I wanted to point out is all kits come with this nice hole saw for making the perfect size hole for the sensors. So if you want to install this yourself, this is a perfect do-it-yourself kit. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. My name is Jeff. This is Lockdown Security. If you could, hit the like button to this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. We really enjoy selling driver safety, anti-theft, car security, remote starters, dash cameras, and the like for your automotive electrical needs. Hope you enjoyed this video. Again, Keetec BS420 LCD, BS420, LDS P7, P6, and P5 dash camera battery packs, and obviously the sensor in full view here. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.